So hey guys, this is Aditi and welcome back to my channel. Before moving on, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post. Okay, so hey you guys, I hope you're doing well and you're staying safe at your home. You better do that. Today's video is going to be an editing tutorial for you all. What editing tutorial it's exactly about? So you all know that there's a hack going viral these days. That's the iPhone hack. This just brightens up the picture a little more, like how it originally was. It just brightens up. I'll show you the pictures the creators posted. Okay, so yes, this was the original picture and this was after the hack picture. Okay, so you can see the difference automatically here. This hack is done on iPhone, but I tried this hack on Android using the app called as Lightroom. I got very good results because it worked. Yes, it worked. So I'm gonna tell you how exactly I did it. So yes, let's go. Now all you have to do is download the Lightroom app from the Play Store. Let me tell you one thing, you also need to create an account on Lightroom. Okay, it can either be via Facebook or your Gmail, or you can also create an account using your Google. Create an account and then open Lightroom, then go to all photos, and then there's this option on the right hand side corner at the bottom right of the image, so just click there. Okay, so now add whatever photo you want. Okay, like I'll be adding these pictures. Okay, now just open the image. Now you can see the options. Okay, you can see the options down. Just go for the light option. And now there's exposure, so just increase the exposure to plus 5 ev. Okay, now the contrast, get contrast to minus 34. The next is highlights, get highlights to minus 38. Get shadows to plus 22. In iPhone it was done with brilliance, but we don't have the brilliance here, so we'll just increase whites to plus 7 and increase the blacks to plus 20. Okay, now just go to the color panel and increase the temperature to plus 6. Increase the tint to plus 12. Increase the vibrance to plus 6. Saturation to plus 16. Now go to the detail panel and increase the sharpening to plus 4. Now go to the effects panel and there increase vignette to plus 12. Go back to light and bring back exposure to 0. Now you can see the difference here. And this is how it's done. I did it using the app known as Lightroom. Okay, please note that and just follow the instruction I have given and you'll get the image. if you edit such pictures, please tag me so that I can like your pictures and share your pictures on my story. Also let me know in the comment section what kind of editing tutorials you guys need, so next time I'll come up with that. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.